I protect the public. A crisis requires an immediate response and a coordinated application of resources. BIRD helps first responders keep hotspots and crises from threatening the well-being and safety of the public.
I put a man on the moon. When Apollo 11 astronauts stepped onto the moon in 1969, a RF transponder was the only communications link back to Earth, and it was tested by a BIRD 1 kilowatt water-cooled load.
I bring families together. BIRD ensure wireless communication across the globe so family can stay connected.
I combat terrorism. BIRD helps scores of military and federal organizations worldwide test and maintain RF communication systems to stop corrupt activities by terrorists and criminals.
I unite fans. When more than 30,000 fans gather inside a sports arena to cheer their favorite team, they will do so while posting those moments to Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube Live with the help of BIRD's distributed antenna systems.
I help win races. Helping Defiant win the 2020 America's Cup, BIRD ensures that coaxial cabling is functioning properly in an extreme corrosive environment with our Sighthawk antenna and cable analyzer.
I save lives. BIRD helps radiologists diagnose life-critical medical conditions by guaranteeing precision medical tests like MRIs are accurate, ensuring that the right actions are taken at the right time for each and every patient.
I defend our country. Defense forces rely on electromagnetic dominance for command, control, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With our XCOM products, our military can establish friend or foe on the battlefield, keeping our troops and our country safe.
I keep conversations moving. When it comes to extending wireless coverage inside tunnels, commuters expect cellular, FM, and digital audio broadcasting services. BIRD's repeaters and distributed antenna systems enable passengers to reach their destination faster, safer, and more comfortably.
I entertain and inform people. TV and radio broadcasters count on BIRD to transmit audio and video content over the air to worldwide customers, forever changing the way billions of homes are entertained and educated.
I safeguard passengers. Aircraft mechanics rely on BIRD to troubleshoot and maintain critical avionics equipment. Without it, air transportation would not be possible.
I make the unseen possible. Semiconductors enable advances in communications, computing, healthcare, clean energy, and countless other applications. BIRD plays a critical role in making the unseen structures of semiconductors with unprecedented, precise RF measurement equipment.
I get the message through. In times of disaster, amateur radio service has repeatedly been the only means of communication into or out of an affected area. BIRD provides critical and affordable test equipment to 1.75 million amateur radio practitioners worldwide to ensure these hams are heard loud and clear.